2022 Honda Forza 750. Basically the Honda Forza 750 is a mix of XADV and Integra. But it has a higher specification, sharper style, and a more powerful engine. The configuration is 2-cylinder inline, 750cc, SOHC, 8-valve, liquid-cooled. According to European emission regulations, he already has a certificate of passing the Euro 5 test. The mechanical heart can produce 54 horsepower at 6,750 revolutions per minute or 5 horsepower more than his brother. While the peak torque has also increased from 68 Nm to 69 Nm, which is available at 4,750 revolutions per minute. The engine carries Honda's patented transmission technology, namely dual-clutch transmission (DCT). This DCT gearbox offers many possibilities. This gives the rider the option of selecting an automatic gear shift or controlling the wheel ratio by flicking a switch on the left side of the handlebar. The rider can adjust how high the engine revs before riding in automatic mode. Ride-by-wire technology has become a standard component for every Honda sport bike lineup, making for a smoother shift. It is provided with 4 driving modes: Standard, Sport and Rain. Apart from that, there is a 4th mode which is user configurable. Each mode defines how power is delivered: engine brake level plus ABS intrusion level and traction control level. In terms of practicality, Honda offers convenience for its users. Under the seat there is a storage space of 22 liters. Can be used to put a full-face helmet or small dimensional items such as jackets and gloves. Plus conveniences such as a USB Type-C socket in the luggage compartment and a small glove box on the right panel of the fairing. The new 5-inch TFT color screen replaces the existing LCD unit on the Integra. The Forza 750 model has more sophisticated characteristics. Like putting a smartphone attached to the dashboard. So it allows riders to use voice to control calls, music, email and navigation via Bluetooth. Requires helmet-mounted intercom. If you don't like using your voice, a button on the left handlebar can replace that action. It adopts a keyless system, namely the knob model, and relies on the remote. Underneath there are buttons to open the trunk and gas tank. Honda also installed a clutch mechanism to prevent the steering lock from being damaged using brute force, a favorite method of making the bike less likely to be stolen. There is also a lever to keep the motor in position. Honda positions the Forza 750 as a Gran Turismo scooter. It has plenty of legroom and windshield as well as ample seating for the rider and passenger. Apart from that, the Forza 750 is very easy to control. Because he is equipped with a tubular steel frame, aluminum swingarm with Pro-Link rear suspension and 41mm USD. Both suspension units offer 120mm of travel, which is quite adequate when used outside the city. For stopping the rate, he relies on dual front discs with a diameter of 310 mm which are clamped by 4-piston calipers from Nissan and mounted radially. The wheels are striped models, using 17 inches front and 15 inches rear. Do not forget the dual-channel ABS, which is standard equipment. Speaking of design, the Forza 750 still features a sporty body. The front and rear are in harmony with the sharp all-round body with bold lines. Gives the impression of a dashing, sturdy and modern. The fascia features separate dual headlamps embedded with LED technology, complete with the daytime running light DRL feature. It is given a windshield that can be adjusted electronically. While the front suspension upside-down model is given a gold color alias gold, increasing the impression of luxury, exclusive and elegant.